Section 2.7, example 2, using interval notation to express all real numbers less than or equal to A or greater than or equal to B. So write the interval expressing all real numbers less than or equal to -1. So let's start with the number line with the values of 1 and -1 on there. So less than or equal to -1. So we're looking at values that are going to be smaller than -1. So it's going to be these values over here to the left of -1. And over here, greater than or equal to +1. Greater than or equal to are going to be numbers to the right of +1. So those values there. It looks like we have an empty set right here. Write the interval expressing all real numbers. So less than or equal to, that's telling us that -1 is part of our solution set. So we're going to put that with a closed circle here. Greater than or equal to +1. It's part of our solution set here too. So now we have two chunks that we have to identify. So starting off from the left and moving on right, just like we read. So starting off over here, the very first spot that I noticed something is going to be right here. This arrow indicates that we go forever to the left. And just like we went to positive infinity whenever we go to the right, we're going to further and further negative numbers. So this is going to start off at -infinity. Always have parentheses at the end with infinities. And let's see where we stop this set. This set stops right here at -1. And this is a closed circle. So it being closed tells us that we are including that in our set. So we're putting brackets here. All right, we'll skip this area here and then we pick it up right here. Our very first part of our solution set here is going to be this value right here. It's a closed circle, so we could start off with brackets. Closed circle at +1. And we go all the way to infinity. This arrow indicates infinity, and since it's in the positive direction, it's going to be positive infinity. Parentheses around the infinities. And since these two sets are part of our solution set, what we're going to say is that it's either the left part or the right part. And we say that by uniting the two solutions. So we have -infinity, comma, -1, bracket. This is called a union. So union, we're uniting the two sets together. And we're going from 1 to infinity. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.